October is Fire Prevention and Awareness Month. A fire must have 3 conditions to occur. This is called the fire triangle. It consists of oxygen, heat, and fuel. Eliminating the interaction of these 3 conditions prevents a fire. In order to prevent a fire, we also must maintain good housekeeping. Don't let sawdust accumulate, particularly near circuit boxes or other heat sources. Report any leaks of fluid such as oil, hydraulic fluid, or etc. Read the MSDS to check the flammability of the chemicals you use. Smoke in designated areas and dispose of cigarette butts properly. Store flammable materials in approved fireproof containers only. If you see electrical equipment with frayed cords, cracked housing, exposed wires, or sparks, report it to your supervisor. Fire extinguishers. Fire extinguishers are located throughout the work area and on forklifts. They should be clearly identified, unobstructed, and easy to access. They are checked and serviced to ensure they are in good working order. There are 4 types of extinguishers for different types of fires. Class A is used ordinarily for combustibles such as wood and paper. It has a numerical rating for the amount of water it holds and the amount of fire it can extinguish. Class B is used for flammable liquids such as grease, gasoline, oil, etc. There is a numerical rating that estimates the square feet of flammable liquids inside the fire extinguisher. Class C, a non-conductive agent used for electrically energized fires. There is not a numerical rating. Class D, specifically used on flammable metals. Generally, there is no numerical rating and is used for specific purposes only. So right here you will see a fire extinguisher. On the left you can see that it has had its monthly inspection, which we do on premises. Synthos comes out and they check them annually. The second picture, you can tell that it is in good working condition because it's in the green gauge. And the last picture on the right shows that the seal's never been broken, so it has never been used. Emergency evacuation. For a fire, remember you will hear 3 long beeps, followed by a pause, and then followed by 3 long beeps and repeated. Line 1 is with Tomas, and it consists of shipping and receiving and truck drivers. Line 2 is Jorge Mendoza, and it consists of the Vista saw and also line 1 in the walls. Line 3 is Jose Contreras, and that consists of the pop-up saw and line 2. Line 4 is Maria Maya, that consists of saws, chains, and all MH press assemblers. Line 5 is with Jose Zavala, and that consists of all roof assemblers, stackers, and floors. Line 6 is with Manuel Gallardo, and that consists of all annex employees, office employees, and visitors. This is the fire evacuation reunion point for the second shift. Line 1 is with Irvin, and it consists of all wall department. Line 2 is with Frenchie, and that includes saws, chains, and MH press assemblers. Line 3 is with Reynaldo, and that consists of roof assemblers, stackers, and floors. Line 4 is with Leon, and that consists of our annex employees and our forklift operators. Home and family safety. To understand the importance of safety in your household and educate your family on safety precautions. Teach children to recognize dangerous situations and how to safely approach and handle them. Post phone numbers to the Poison Control Center, Emergency Medical Services, Police Department, and Fire Department next to the telephone, and teach your family how and when to use these numbers. Place first aid kits in easy-to-reach places and common areas, such as the kitchen, garage, and car. Make sure your family is up to date with all their immunizations, screenings, and checkups. Teach everyone in the family how to use and dial 911. Lock up all poisons, medicines, and cleaning products from children. Remember, the best and safest way for protecting your family is by being prepared. Encourage your family to take safety serious. Set a good example for your whole family and be a role model. No first aid. Keep all passageways and stairs clear of clutter and adequately lit. Check electrical equipment regularly. Replace frayed or cracked cords and broken sockets and plugs. Use flame retardant bedding and curtains. Don't let anyone smoke in the bed. Install smoke detectors and all-purpose fire extinguishers. Check them periodically. Have your heating system checked and cleaned by a qualified contractor at least once a year.